Can your Christian wife divorce you if you beat her?
Not given.
If you beat your Christian wife senseless, can she get divorced from you? Show me from the Bible.
What is it? Christian women,
Yes.
Christian women are
Eh?
not beaten by any Christian.
If they do, can they get divorced? Show me from the Bible.
No.
Oh, they
No.
can't get divorced. Well, there you go.
No.
They're not allowed.
No divorce for her.
No
No divorce.
No,
unless
Oh.
unless
Oh.
the woman
Oh.
is seen with another man
Okay, so
having adultery.
if my husband beat me, I cannot. If my husband beat me,
Not
and
just
I
beat.
go
If he beats you
No.
senseless,
I
but-
cannot divorce
but
him.
no
they-
divorce. Every
you
day,
can-
every day
you
he beats
can-
you senseless.
Go to your priest
what?
Okay.
and
The priest will
make,
do what?
make your case.
So you will change the Bible.
Or you can go to
The priest will
police
change the
and
Bible.
make your case.
Okay, but I can. But he,
No,
I
no,
can. He
mother.
You
cannot.
cannot
You have
divorce.
to
Wait. This is, her
You
reaction
can
is
only
perfect.
divorce
Yeah.
if you are corrupt.
I'm correct. Okay.
If you are corrupt, you can only divorce at that time.
Okay.
But since you are a good lady, you
Who
are
gets
a-
beaten every single day?
Don't say anything.
No.
No.
No
It's
divorce.
not
No,
Islam.
no divorce.
Not in
No
Islam.
divorce.
Christianity
No
is not
divorce.
Islam.
No divorce.
Christianity is not Islam.
Only priest divorce.
So Christian women will not be beaten.
So no Christian
If they
woman
will
gets
be
beaten.
beaten,
No Christian
then-
woman gets
Then
beaten.
the husband will
No
be
Christian woman
behind
gets
the
beaten.
bar.
Can you tell me no Christian woman
Then
gets
the
beaten?
husband will be
You can't tell
behind
me.
the bar.
Do Christian women get beaten?
So even
If they are beaten,
Yes.
if they are being
Senseless
beaten,
every day.
then husband has to be behind the bar.
Oh, but she can't divorce.
No.
Oh, no.
So-
Don't do this. Don't do
No,
this.
no.
I understand. So
Don't do
my
this.
husband beat me up. I'm a Christian. My husband, for example, I'm a Christian. My husband beat me up. He goes to jail for 20 years. I have to wait because I cannot get a divorce.
Oh.
I cannot start a new life.
That's a good point.
If you are going to be for a
If
20-year
if my,
single,
if my husband goes to prison
Yeah.
because he beats me up, for example,
yeah.
I as a woman, I cannot get divorced and I cannot start a new life and I cannot move on because
Well,
I
that's a
cannot
good
get
point.
divorced, right? So I have to stay
That's
and
a
just
good point.
accept it.
no. If the probation is longer than
10 years?
5 years, 5 years,
Yeah?
then you can make up your mind.
Ask him if this is in the Bible.
Your mind.
Is this in the Bible?
Yeah.
Then you can make up your mind.
Is this in the Bible?
You can go
Oh.
and talk to a priest.
Oh, the priest
or
again.
police.
Oh,
Police.
you must speak to the priest.
They will.